Today, we are going to discuss CRISPR-Cas9, one of the most revolutionary tools in modern biology. CRISPR-Cas9 allows us to precisely edit DNA sequences in cells or organisms. It was adapted from a bacterial immune system which naturally defends against viruses. In this system, a guide RNA or gRNA is designed to match a specific DNA sequence. The Cas9 enzyme binds to this gRNA and cuts the DNA at that exact location. Once the DNA is cut, the cell's natural repair mechanisms take over. Non-homologous end joining or NHEJ can introduce small insertions or deletions that disrupt the gene, effectively turning it off. Homology directed repair or HDR uses a donor template to insert or replace DNA precisely. To perform CRISPR-Cas9 editing, we need several key materials: target cells or organisms, the Cas9 enzyme or expression plasmid, a carefully designed gRNA, and optionally a donor DNA template if we want precise changes. We deliver these components into cells using transfection methods like electroporation or viral vectors. After editing occurs, we may select for successfully edited cells and validate the changes by sequencing and functional assays. The results can vary. A successful edit shows the intended insertion, deletion, or substitution in the target DNA, while unsuccessful edits may result in no change or off target effects. CRISPR-Cas9 has a wide range of applications. In medicine, it's being explored for gene therapy to correct genetic disorders. In research, it helps create knockout or knock in models to study gene function. In agriculture, it allows the development of disease resistant or high yield crops. And in synthetic biology, we can engineer organisms to produce useful compounds. While CRISPR-Cas9 is powerful, precautions are important. Off-target effects can occur. So, gRNA design and validation are critical. Mosaicism can result in some cells being edited while others are not. Ethical and biosafety considerations are vital, especially when working with human or germline cells. In summary, CRISPR-Cas9 represents a major breakthrough in our ability to understand and manipulate genetics. Its simplicity, versatility, and precision have transformed research, medicine, and biotechnology, making it one of the most exciting tools in biology today.